guys. Oh, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back today to talk about some new makeup. There is more makeup to be worn. So the new makeup we're going to be talking about today is the new Morphe and Coca-Cola. This is the Cherry Coca-Cola collab. This is the cute little collection I did grab today. I did grab the palette and the lippy and blush duo set. So before I jump all the way into these goodies, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below. And on top of that, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. Let's jump right on into these. All right, y'all, we're gonna go into the packaging just a little bit. This is the Cheerfully Cherry Artistry palette. On the back of this, it says, get right to it, babe. From relaxing neutrals to bold berries to ready for anything reds, this refreshing palette of cheerful shades is the ultimate cherry on top. So on the front, on the outward packaging, it just says the bright old cherry Coke right there. They say 18 shades that'll cherry you up. So, and this is the outer palette. Look at that. So this is what the palette looks like. It is more like a metal kind of palette. When you open it up, they have this, again, I can't stand when Morphe does these though. This is the little name tags on there, the little names on this thing. I can't stand this. I wish they just printed right on those little lines. I don't know why they do these. It's because you got to keep them, but they're in the way. I can't stand them. But anyways, you do get a nice little mirror. Yes, yes, yes. And with the cherry Coke right here at the bottom. And then you get all of these beautiful, warm, ready berry shades. So the lip and cheek duo, it says, this juicy set features an iconic black cherry lip glaze and a bouncy Cherry-Fied blush to brighten up your day and look in just one swipe. Name a better duo. We'll wait. Cute. So this comes with the lip glaze called Sippin Pretty and Cherry-Fied cheek blush. In the front, of course, has the cherry Coke on there again. Turn to the side, it has like a little drink of cherry Coke on each side, and it says very cherry and outrageous. It says 2 servings, pretty please, on the back. That's so cute. And then right here at the top, it has the name of the blush and the lippy. This does come in a little plastic container with the lip and the blush. So the cherry Coke blush looks like a bottle cap top. It's really, really cute. In the back, it says Cherry-Fied. And then we open it up, which I think was very interesting with this blush packaging. It has a little tray right in there and it's popped right on up to, I guess, preserve the blush, right? Take her out. This does give you a cute little mirror in this. It's so cute. And guys, by the way, these little items are scented. Yes. Oh, it smells so good, just like cherry Coke. It's kind of like a cinnamon kind of cherry. It's really, really good. And then we have the pretty shade right in there. Very, very pretty. And then last but not least, we do have the cherry lip glaze and Sippin Pretty. This is very cute. I like the squeezy little bottle packaging. And it has a red little cap at the bottom. This packaging was very, very cute. Especially people that are fans of cherry Coke out there, you're probably gonna be like, oh, this is cute. So I did do a look with everything today, guys, including the eyes, cheeks, and lips. So if you guys want to get this look, just stay tuned. hope you enjoyed the tutorial and the swatches today. Now let's jump right back into this palette real quick. So I do like the layout of all of these colors. They do overall give you 9 shimmers. They give you 10 mattes. So you do get more mattes than shimmers in this palette, but I believe the mattes are the best ones anyways in a lot of these type of palettes. These are the ones that stand out for me anyways. The shimmers in these are, they are pretty, but I feel like this one, give me more. It was very, very powdery, had a lot of fallout. It showed up, but I just felt like it was so much fallout. I feel like these shimmers may work better with your fingers versus a brush, the shimmers in my opinion, especially the lighter ones. I did use the one at the bottom as well, Pretty Please, for the bottom of my eye. That one was more pigmented and slided on a little bit easier than the other shimmer. The mattes perform very beautifully and evenly. I feel like Morphe's mattes kind of like, yeah, we know it's gonna be good. Only thing is, this doesn't fully smell like cherry coke too much. And I do like that the palette is like light to darker cherries and berries. I think that is very nice. People that like more neutral, you would probably try to stay on this half. And people that like more the bold, rich cherries and reds and berries and all of that, you would go to that side. I just wish the shimmers performed a little better. And I wish they weren't as powdery and a little dry. I feel like the lighter ones were drier than the darker shimmers. So I don't know, maybe it's just something with the formula of the shade range. I don't know. But I just felt like it was just okay. This palette, again, if you like rich red berries and cherry colors, you're gonna love this regardless. I think fall and Christmas time is gonna be great to wear because it is in that theme period. I feel like summertime berries and reds, I'm kind of like, if it's not fire engine red and orange red and bright red, I feel like don't release until fall. Now, right now, how they kind of release this, I feel like, yeah, fall time, people gonna be playing with this. They will. I just feel like Coca-Cola is like summertime. That's just for me. But this color story is very fall-like. I wanted to compare this one to the other Coca-Cola, y'all. I have all of the Morphe Coca-Cola palettes, and let me bring them up so we can compare these real quick. So I have the first Coca-Cola palette, and then I also have, you guys already know, the 1971 collab Coca-Cola palette. The 1971 had the names printed on there. I don't know why the first Coca-Cola and this one doesn't. So in the original Coca-Cola palette with Morphe, you see those reds, rich browns, and then you do see a pop of blue color and silver and white shimmers, all that. So they do give you the little range of Coca-Cola, the kind of vibe of it all that started it all. And then the 1971 is the more vintage Coca-Cola with those rich earthy browns or little pops of light green and baby blue and all that kind of vibe, right? I feel like both of these are in the realm of the Coca-Cola at that time in the era of it. I feel like with the original one and the Cherry Coke, I feel like this one leads so much more to the original one. I feel like the original one has that range up to 3 to 5 different looks and different warm, cool, neutral undertones. But I feel like the Cherry Coke is very much like light and dark. This one has a little extra more range, in my opinion, the original Coke. The 1971 is one of my favorite palettes. It just is. I just like the more, I guess, earthy kind of, I don't want to say rustic, but earthy kind of colors to it. But this cherry one is still holding up. I feel like it's still very pretty colors. I feel like out of all of the new Coca-Cola palettes that they came out with, period, I still think the 1971 is the best one in my opinion. But if you're a rich berry, cherry kind of fan, you'll love this regardless. This is my favorite thing out of the collection, hands down. This smells straight up like Cherry Coke. I love the packaging, the little mirror. I'm gonna be having this in my bag for a while because this is very, very small and compact, y'all. I love little compact little mirrors inside of little makeup things. I just love it. And this is scented so well. This smells like Cherry Coca-Cola. I feel like this was the Cherry Coke. This is the envision I thought the palette would smell like and maybe give me this whole vibe of it. I love this. One thing I noticed about the blush as well, guys, and I didn't know this, I end up using my finger if you guys seen the video. I was using a brush to try it out first and see, okay, it's more like a bouncy kind of blush. I realized, oh, it's better on your finger. And I wonder with a beauty blender how it would look. So I was a little shocked by that. I was like, oh, finger or beauty blender I think is better. I'm glad I figured that out because it came out really cute. I think it's really pretty. So I like this one a lot. I think the packaging, the scent, the performance of it all, the different ways to use it, I like it. This was very cute. I want them to come out more blushes like this formula, this compact little packaging, everything, and scented. Just keep doing this. And last but not least, y'all, is the lip glaze. This is the second runner-up. I wish this actually was on my lips like this. This is more of a jelly version of it. I know it's a glaze, but I wish they actually had that pigmentation on my lips. I have a faded version of this color on my lips. It does smell like the Cherry Coke as well. This is nice and smooth and juicy. Yeah, this smells really good. I keep putting it on. I feel like if they keep doing lip glazes like this and then add different flavors, just like that blush, it's amazing. This lip and cheek duo was the best in my opinion, and this lippy was a cute addition to the collection. All right, y'all. So overall, I feel like this collection was very cute. So the other Coca-Cola collections, y'all, I feel like the 1971 is still my favorite. But I think the other essentials with this cherry Coke, like the lip and cheek, those outdid compared to the other side accessories with the original Coke and the 1971. They do have this set, and they do sell the lip gloss separate. They don't sell the blush separate, so they like, you have to get the gloss and the blush. I say kind of pass on the palette on this time. I feel like try the other two Coca-Cola palettes if you can, and then get the little set duo here. So again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below. Guys, tell me which one is your favorite flavor of Coca-Cola. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.